Recording is on.
It is the 11th of June, 2020. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Um, Stand-up for Saskatoon. It's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Last week, where am I getting that feedback from? Last week, no, that didn't help. Maybe the problem is my phone. I tried dialing in with my phone. Mute. How's that? Yeah, that sounds better. So last week I got stand-up recorded and I got it posted, and I also trimmed the backlog, which was one of the things that was on my list to do. Next week, I have quite a small list. I'm going to try review the end scope and record a video and an audio. Do a summary video because none of my videos seem to be small. Anyway, the end scope is pretty cool. And I did trim my backlog, so I don't need to do that. And I guess blocks, blocks are in this section. And I don't have any blocks besides the fact that it is summer and there's lots of stuff to do outside. We don't have anyone else to do their part, so I will continue with a 6 for myself, 6 out of 10. The team, I'm going to go for a 6. Lauren wasn't available today. He's got other issues going on, and neither he nor I were able to get our new phones or devices registered for info@wikispeed.com. Joe's coverage is pretty spotty right now, and we just haven't been able to connect with him. And this isn't a process improvement; it's more of a backlog item. I would like to get Lauren to post the recording next week. Get the recording started, recording to the Dropbox, and then get it downloaded and posted over to YouTube, so that there's at least 2 of us that know how to do it. That's about it. We got obviously no crosstalk because there's no one else but me. And I believe that we are done for the week. Just have to stop recording, and that's it.